how's it going? So yeah, it's been a while since you have seen me. I've not shown my face in a while on this channel. Thank you for everyone who liked and subscribed my last video. Just to answer up some questions I got on my Instagram. It was really more like test footage that I like so much that I threw together to make an actual video itself. So yeah, thank you for that. So today we're gonna be doing something different that I've been wanting to do for a little while. And it's gonna probably be more of the theme of this channel. It's gonna be POV photo walks. So I'm actually at a local spot near me that I've wanted to come back out. I photographed here many times this year, except for not any time in the summer. So it's my first time with the boats being out at the marina here. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. So today you're gonna be seeing me filming on my iPhone, and I'm gonna have the X-T20, and we're gonna go from there and see what we can find. Not sure if those will come out, but saw that, caught my eye. So that's what it's all about. Something catches your eye, don't walk past it. Give it a second or two. Worst case is you toss the photos, but you never know what kind of little gems you can make from ordinary scenes that we walk by every day. I used to do that in the beginning. Before I got into street photography, I walked by so many scenes that caught my eye, but I was like, meh, not worth my time. And now I'm actually enjoying it a whole lot more by just taking those 2 seconds, and you can be pretty surprised at what you can find. So this building up here, this that says Sunset on it, is one of my favorite buildings in this little area. Just the way it looks all faded, and on a really nice day when there's actually a sunset, it just makes for a really cool photo. When I came in, I drove in this area. That red cross trek wasn't there. Still gonna snap a photo because why not, right? But it's not giving me the same, all right, a little bit. It's not giving me the same look, same vibe that I was thinking about when I came in here and thinking about doing the walk. It's also, sun would be nice right now. Let's try something. Across the street. Yeah. There's just something with the way that this building is just like falling apart. Oh, there's a cat in the window. Did I get him? Yeah, got him. All right, well, this is definitely something. Okay. Very snapshot looking images, but just having fun. Just having fun. It's a pretty old vintage license plate. Oh, I see another cat. I see another cat. A shopping cart. Something there, I think. Let's look at our little buddy. Hey. Hey. Oh. Aren't you cute, buddy? All right, so there you go. So from here on out in these walks, if we ever see animals, we stop for animals for the most part, especially cats. I'm a cat guy. All right, I think I did pretty good on that shot. I prefer actually the wide as opposed to a little tighter one. I'll post it right down here. So a photo that I had pretty good success with on Instagram or early spring was actually this building just around me. This guy here, just because of the colors. So let's see if I can, oh, do it again. There, and try to get something a little bit different. It's framed up properly. All right, not bad. Not bad. A cool little thing I want to tell you guys about is, since getting into street photography the past, let's say, 6 months, I want to travel and discover my own city so much more, but actually travel the world and see other places. So hopefully I can stay at it. Oh, and there's a cat. Maybe say hi to him. But hopefully we can travel some more places, and I do plan on going maybe to Europe next fall, I think it is. Yeah, next fall. And I'm not gonna say where exactly because it's not fully confirmed on my end either. But that would be pretty cool to take you guys along and discover a brand new continent and city for me. Oh, here's a cat. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hey, buddy. Guess not. Whatever he sees is way more important. Oh, okay. Say bye, buddy. Yeah, I'm a cat man. You guys are gonna see that I love cats. 2 of my own. I just love the way vines grow up buildings, especially brick buildings. They're just, let me see if I can turn this camera up to you. There's something about it that just looks so good, so good. Let's see if I can. Not sure why that caught my interest, but like I said, it did. Let's see if I can grab a photo. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Very glowy, very, very glowy. And we move on. All right. That was a nice surprise of an image, if you guys can see that. Happy with that. All right, so we're at this old rusty steel building, kind of artifacts, and it looks very cool. I've always wanted to shoot here. I thought about waiting for summer to come around to have all these overgrown like vines and stuff, like I was saying before. That's too bright. Nope, doesn't work. Let's see what I can do here. Okay, there's something there. Might have to shoot through the fence. That might be a thing. Yeah. They look awesome though. I guarantee people have been in there taking photos. I'm just not one of those type of people who likes just to jump through fences and break those kind of rules. I know. You'll quickly see I'm much of a sissy when it comes to that kind of stuff. But oh, actually, guys, you actually see the fence sticking through here, and I like that. I like that a lot. It kind of gives you the fact that you're gonna see the photos right here. You're gonna see how the fence is part of keeping you away. It's actually pretty cool. And then I'm gonna get a couple through the fence. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty cool. Ooh. Let's see what we can. Oh, that's better. It's got like a natural vignette on the bottom because of the foliage and the fence. You'll see in this photo here. That's kind of cool. Now that's not too much of an angle. That yeah, you see all the bars from the fence through this one. You gotta really shoot the fence straight through. Straight through. Well, people do get in because, oh, I was gonna say, I didn't see a fence here, but it makes sense. Oh, this does definitely help for photos though, for composition. What can we do here? What can we do here? Actually, oh, I just went through a spider web. I'm sorry, Mr. Spider. I'm sorry, Mr. Spider. Okay. That I like. That I like a lot. How about that? I know you guys are not gonna see the camera, but images are just down here. And a nice danger one would be really cool too. If I can center up perfectly, head on. That works. That worked perfectly. Gives you an idea of the area. Oh, it looks like I can see blue sky now. Something's definitely happening. Oh, I like this. So, entrée interdit. So basically, I will translate for everything for my non-French speaking or non-Quebec living peoples. Basically means don't enter, as you can tell. But it's for cars, it's one way for cars, not for pedestrians. It's nothing special, but it does look nice. It does look nice. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed that first POV video from me. Like I said earlier, this is gonna be more like the theme of my videos going forwards. So I'm gonna be doing more of these. I'm also gonna plan on doing some more I hate the word because it's overly used, cinematic kind of films like I made before, where I just go out and maybe put some voiceover to it or some dialogue or some text over the screen. I'm not actually sure. It's just that I like both, but I really do love the Photowalk, since that's how I do take all my photos. And someone said, you should take us along, show us that process. And I've been following and watching a lot of other YouTubers who make the same style videos. So I'm like, duh, why don't I do the same thing? So hopefully you liked today's video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this with your friends, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I had a great time, and just as I took off my shirt and my chest mount stuff, the sun came out, and as I say that, it goes away. But the sun's been out for like 10 minutes since my last clip. So yeah, of course the weather did that to me. But anyways, see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.